Want to encourage your WooCommerce customers to spend more? Hi everyone, I'm David from the Web App Pick team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a spend more, save more cart discount in WooCommerce using Disco. For this example, we'll create a promotion where customers get 5% off when they spend $200 or more. We'll also add a customizable cart notice banner to let customers know about the offer while they're shopping. Let's get started. First, open Disco from your WordPress dashboard and click Create Campaign. Now, enter a campaign name. For this example, I'm going to name it Spend More, Save More. Next, select a discount intent. Since we want to apply a discount based on the total value of the customer's cart, I'm going to select Cart Intent. Now, you can choose which products will be included in the campaign. You can either apply the discount to all products or select specific products. For this example, I'm going to select all products. Next, you can set the user limit. I'll leave this as unlimited, which is the default option. Now, select the validity period for the campaign. Here, you can choose when the offer should start and when it should end. This is useful if you want to run a limited time promotion. For this example, I'll set today's date as the campaign start date and August 30th as the end date. Now let's configure the discount itself. Here, you can choose between 3 discount types: percentage discount, fixed discount per cart item. For this campaign, I'm going to select percentage discount. Now enter the discount value. I'll set it to 5%. Next, enter the discount level. I'll name this level Cart Discount. Now we need to add a condition that determines when the customer receives the discount. Disco provides several conditions that you can use for cart-based promotions. For example, you can create items count in the entire cart, items quantity in the entire cart, item quantity, item count, cart items total weight, cart subtotal, payment method, cart coupons, products in cart. For this example, I'm going to select cart subtotal. Now, let's say I set the condition to equal to $200. In that case, the customer will receive a 5% discount when the cart subtotal is exactly $200. However, if I select greater than or equal to $200, the customer will receive the 5% discount whenever the cart subtotal is $200 or more. For a spend more, save more promotion, the second option is usually more useful. So I'm going to select greater than or equal to and set the value to $200. Now, whenever a customer spends $200 or more, they will receive a 5% discount. Once everything is configured, click Continue. Now we are taken to the display section. Before we continue, I should mention that the display features I'm going to show next are available in the Disco Pro version only. Here, you can choose different features to display your discount promotion on your store. For this example, I'm going to use the cart notice. Click the Edit option. Here, we can customize the cart notice banner. Disco also provides some ready-made banner templates that you can use. I'll select this banner template. Now, we can customize the banner text. I'm going to keep as the default. You can also add a button to the banner. When customers click the button, you can take them directly to your shop page. Simply add the URL of the page you want customers to visit. You can also customize the appearance of the banner, including its height, border radius, and you can customize the appearance of the button as well. Once everything looks good, our banner is ready. Now I'll click back to display options and enable the cart notice feature. Now let's go to the summary section and review our campaign. As you can see, we have campaign name, spend more, save more, discount intent, cart intent, products, all products, user limit, unlimited, discount type, percentage discount, discount value, 5%, applied condition, cart subtotal, greater than or equal to $200, design block, cart notice. Everything looks good, so let's publish the campaign. Now let's go to the store and test our campaign. I'll add a product to the cart. At the moment, the cart total is below $200, so the 5% discount has not been applied yet. It shows how much more we need to add to get discount. Now, I'll add more products and increase the cart subtotal to $200 or more. And now, as you can see, the condition has been met. The customer receives the 5% discount, and the cart notice banner displays the promotion. This makes the offer visible to customers and encourages them to increase their cart value to unlock the discount. And that's how you can create a spend more, save more cart discount in WooCommerce using Disco. You can create discounts based on cart subtotal, product quantity, items in the cart, and many other conditions. You can also use the display features to make your promotions more visible to customers. If you want to create advanced WooCommerce discounts without custom coding, check out Disco. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.